Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my 2017 beauty favorites. I'm going to be talking about the new products that I tried last year. I hope they're all new. But forgive me if I've mentioned them in my last favorites video. But things are all, time is blurred. But the kind of thing that I was thinking of when I was picking them was that I tried them for the first time in 2017. Okay, so let's get started. So I have a couple of skincare things, and the theme for the first two items are feel the burn. Okay, it's all about exfoliation, resurfacing the skin, all that good stuff. That's what I like to feel. I like to feel that tingly sensation that lets me know that the product is working. So first up is this product right here, and it's the Biologique Recherche, I'm sure I'm pronouncing that wrong, Lotion P50 1970. I have a small bottle right now, and this stuff has a really strong scent. It's kind of medicinal. It's really like unique. And when you put this on your skin, it's a toner that balances the skin's pH, but it also resurfaces the skin. It's kind of like an exfoliant at the same time. And the first time I tried it, I felt this stinging sensation, and I was like, yes, this is exactly what I needed in my routine. So I'm so happy to have added that. And you guys, it'll like change your life. It's one of those like low-key things that you never hear anybody talk about. And it's like, models use it, actresses use it. Like, it's like under the radar. But ever since I got it, I've been seeing it pop up everywhere. So I feel like it's starting to reach the critical mass. So if you want to jump on the bandwagon, I'll leave the link down below. But that stuff is good. And then again, on the same theme, I tried the Drunk Elephant TLC Sukari Baby Facial. And this is a mask that I do like about once a week, or when I forget, whenever my skin starts to look a little flaky, a little dull, I'm like, this is what I need to use, and it never fails. So it's one of those things that, again, makes you feel the burn and gets rid of like all that dead skin, all that nastiness, so that when you go and do your routine, your products are going to sink in even more. They're going to work better. And when you go to apply your foundation, your skin is smoother, because this stuff is going to like burn everything off. And I know I keep saying burn, but it's not really that serious. But if you are super sensitive, then obviously like do a test patch. But if you have regular skin like me, definitely add this to your stash. It's amazing. And then this little travel kit right here is by Belief, and I love their products. Their moisturizer is like my ride or die. I've been using it for about 2 years now, and I'm obsessed. And this came in so handy because I traveled a lot last year, and I didn't even have to think about my skincare routine. I just tossed this in my bag, and that was that. It has your cleanser, it has your moisturizer, it has an eye cream, it has a toner, and it even has what do they call these things now? A water essence, right? So it's really good if you have dry skin, and it's something that I wouldn't have discovered if I had not gotten this kit, because I really haven't really tried those essences yet. I haven't incorporated that yet. But if you're dry, your skin, like if you don't moisturize right out of the shower, it's a wrap. Like the pores are closed and your skin feels tight, and when you put your moisturizer on top, it's not locking any moisture in. So it's just moisturizer on top of dry skin with the pores closed. So that just adds that like water again, that essence, that fluid with really small molecules that really just penetrate into the skin right away. And then you put your moisturizer on top, and it locks that in. So it's really nice, and it's a treat. So I love that that included it in the kit and introduced me to this whole new world where now I want to buy one full size. Next up, I have some foundations, and my favorite foundation that I discovered last year, I discovered it at the end of the year, and it is the Huda Beauty foundation. The shade that I wear is Tres Leches, and I have it on right now. It's just like the perfect color for me when I'm not tan, and which is most of the year because I barely see the sunlight, let me tell you. And yeah, it's just gorgeous. Medium to full coverage. It's full coverage for me because I'm someone that likes a little bit of a lighter coverage. I like to see my skin, but when I want to be, you know, glam over the top, this is good for filming, for photos, going out. This is going to be my go-to. So I really love it. It's not on me, it gives a natural finish. It's not super dewy, so I don't have to worry about too much shine, and it's not matte, so I don't have to worry about it looking like it's aging me or in any way. I really don't like that flat look. It's good for photography, but I just don't like that flat look. I like to still have a little sheen, so I still have that with this. And then for everyday, which for the most part I don't wear anything on a daily basis, but when I do want to wear a little something, the It Cosmetics CC cream is so good. I am in the shade medium tan, and I really do hope that they expand the shade range because it's like way too small. But this stuff is so good, and I love that it has SPF in it. It gives you a really nice coverage. It protects you from the sun. It's hydrating. It says here it's anti-aging. Like anything that hydrates and is like very moisturizing is gonna prevent wrinkles, so I definitely feel like that is the case with this product. However, you cannot use this for photos. I'm telling you, even on an iPhone without flash, you're gonna look gray, casket ready gray, because of all the SPF in it. So that goes without saying. This is more of a product for like your everyday life, not for a photo shoot. So I'm not holding it against it. It's still a favorite. Then I have this, which I'm sure you guys are going to be sick of hearing about from me. They are these Stila liquid eyeshadows that are so shimmery, and I'm wearing one, my favorite one, on my lid right now. They are called the Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow, and the one that I already need to get a new one is Diamond Dust. This one is gorgeous. It has just like a multi-dimensional, multicolored glitter in kind of like a light gold champagne base. And on camera, it's just not going to pick up the different colors, but in real life, it does. So trust me when I say that you need Diamond Dust in your life. And then this one is my newest one, Rose Gold Retro. I haven't tried it yet, but look forward to it. I don't think I've tried it yet anyway. But yeah, I recently picked that one up last month. And then this one is Molten Midnight, but I just love Diamond Dust so much that I rarely ever use this. So definitely highly recommend. They're amazing. They don't crease on me. I wear them like full coverage, or I shear it out with a brush, and it just gives you the most beautiful glittery top coat that is so grown and sexy and not chunky in any way. So definitely a must for me. Then for mascaras, I'm not someone that is obsessed with a particular mascara. I just have never found one that I'm like hooked for life. This is the one that I'm going to use forever and ever. But I did find one that I really liked this year out of the ones that I tried. And it is this one. It's the Urban Decay Troublemaker. It has one of those plastic wands, which are very good for separating the lashes, which is what I look for in a mascara. And then another mascara, and this one I tried at the end of the year, but I already know this is like gonna be a repeat purchase for me. It's the MAC Extended Play Lash, which I feel like everyone on YouTube recommends for your lower lashes. And as soon as I tried it, I was like, I get it. It really grabs every single lash. It's like such a thin wand. It just grabs lashes that you didn't even know you had, and it's just perfect. It doesn't feel thick or goopy. It just gives you that little like extra oomph that you look for when you put mascara on down there. Amazing. Love it. For lips, I have a gloss. And actually I had two glosses, but I lost my main one that I wanted to mention in this video. So I'm just gonna say it. It's the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. It's incredible. I love it. I know that for most people, when it first launched, it looked super basic, but but I bought it anyway, and I'm so glad that I did because it just makes your lips look so juicy and it feels so beautiful on the lips. It almost feels like it's hydrating it, and they just feel like cushions, and you'll be like addicted to smacking your lips together because of that feeling that it gives your lips. So I definitely recommend that. If you haven't tried it yet, definitely give it a whirl. And I think they even have like minis right now. They have like a little set with a mini of the gloss bomb in there, so if you want to try a smaller size. But listen, if you trust me, just get the full size because it is amazing on everybody. And then this gloss I did not expect to love, but it is this Kylie Cosmetics one in the color So Cute. And I layer it with other products, and I just didn't really have luck with her lip kits. I found that everyone that I tried would go on one color and turn into something else by the time it dried down and just like, you know, sat on my lips. So I definitely did not, you know, get along with them, and I was like, I'm not buying another thing. But I saw so many people raving about the glosses, and I love the way that the colors look, that I was like, okay, I'll give it a try. This isn't gonna like change color on me, right? And I did, and I really, really love it. And I used it like almost nonstop, and I don't even know what got into me because I'm not even a gloss person, but it's like the makeup industry changes, and it was like on a matte liquid lipstick kit, and now all of a sudden everyone's on a gloss kick, and then my taste changed with it and I'm using gloss again. But today I'm wearing a matte lip. I'm actually wearing the Fenty Beauty Stunna lip paint. It's so stunning. Like, I love this red, so if you guys were thinking about it, it's really good. So I do really love that, but you know, this is too new for me to include in this video, but I know you guys are wondering what I'm wearing. And then for a palette, I really didn't incorporate a new palette. I just used the same ones that I've been loving all the time last year. But out of all the palette launches, the one that I was like, this is me and I need it in my life, is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. It's just, I just love the colors as soon as I saw them, and I knew that I needed to have it, and I used some of these colors today to get ready. So yeah, it just has my bronze colors, my copper colors, the transitions colors that I love, which are those orangey warm tones. It has a dark brown, the black that you always need to deepen things up, green, which I've been really drawn to recently, the purple. Just, I mean, I think I've already made this speech before in a haul video, but I just wanted to reiterate that this is me in a palette. So I love that. And then this also kind of feels like cheating because I got it at the end of the year, but I just need to tell you about it now. And it is the Clarisonic foundation brush attachment. You guys, this works with any Clarisonic, so if you already have one, go out and just get the brush head. And if you don't have a Clarisonic, invest, because this has changed my foundation game, my everything game. Contour, blending is just amazing. I love it. So it's like really dirty right now because I used it today with the Huda Beauty foundation. So good. I use it to put on my foundation. I dot it all over my face, and then I just blend it with this, and I apply my concealer with a brush. And then you know how you always have that like border between your concealer and your foundation, right over it, blurs it. Contour, this blurs it. Put on all my cheek colors. I might even go over it with this one more time just to like make sure it's flawless. So I just am obsessed with it, and I kind of wish it wasn't like so extra of me to like carry it with me every day. And just like if I gotta do my makeup, like I just don't want to do it with any other tool. And oh, that just reminds me that because this I got at the end of the year, but the brush that my new brush addition that I love for foundation is the Fenty Beauty one. Love that brush. I was like using it nonstop, love it. So I don't have it with me because I've been using this. So yeah guys, I think that about wraps up my favorites for 2017. I'm still gonna be using these products in 2018, and I'm sure I won't stop trying new stuff. So of course, stay tuned for more haul videos. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll leave links to everything I mentioned down in the description box, and links to my social media if you want to follow me on there. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.